Hi, my name's Chelsea. I'm master's student and I'm going to show you guys how to do our e-portfolios. As you can see, I'm logged into my Canvas site. I'm in the dashboard. So where we're going to go for e-portfolios is click on account and go down here to e-portfolios. I do have one e-portfolio set up already. This is the portfolio that you go to if you are in the nursing education corner or community, and there's a link that says example Canvas ePortfolio. That's this one. For right now, while we're doing this tutorial, we're going to click on create an ePortfolio. This make an ePortfolio comes up. We're going to tell you, I'm going to do example portfolio. You guys can pick whatever name. If you want it to be your name like I did, if you want it to be your nursing education portfolio, whatever, it's up to you. I'm going to make it public so that people besides me can see this portfolio. Your instructors will be able to see it. People from outside campus will be able to see it. But if it's not, click make it public, then you're the only one that can see this. We're then going to make an e-portfolio. So you click on it. Now we're here onto the Canvas website. So where it says home, actually before we do that, let's go over a couple other things. This is welcome to your e-portfolio. These are different assignments that you've submitted throughout your career as a nursing student that you can upload into this e-portfolio. You can once you're complete with it, you can download the contents of the e-portfolio as a zip file. You can also delete the portfolio if you're not happy with it. Here under e-portfolio settings, you can change the name of the portfolio or you can make it public. When you're done doing that, you click update e-portfolio. It's over here on the left. So now where it says home and organize sections, we're going to change this section. So we're going to organize our sections, and I don't want this to say home. I want this to be my resume. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to type in CV instead of home. I want to add another section. Let's say my teaching, no, let's do a clinical rotation. And then I want one more section, and this is going to be my teaching philosophy. So I've got my three sections. I kind of like how they are, but I put them in the wrong order. So if I grab teaching philosophy, I can move it up one. I can grab CV and move it down one. You can move them up or down except for this top one. If I take teaching philosophy up there, oh, never mind, it is working that way. It wasn't working a minute ago. So you can move it around however you feel. We're going to be done editing this side. And now over here where it says home, we're going to organize and manage these pages. I don't want this to say welcome. I want this to say CV. So I'm done organizing the pages under my CV section. So I'm going to be done editing this. But now I want to edit on the right where it actually says CV. So I'm going to click on the CV. And here we go. It says edit this page. So I'm going to click on edit this page. The page name is CV. And I want to put some information in here. So I have my resume saved on the side here. Because I have all of my personal information in the header, and I don't feel like doing this twice to you guys, I'm just going to copy the information in the body, right click, copy, and then right click, paste. I have a Mac, so the Control C and the Control V don't work because my computer's kind of botched together. But at least this shows you an idea of how to get the writing into there. The next thing I want to do is I want to actually add a copy of my CV into here. So I'm going to click image file upload, and I've previously saved the CV as a PDF. So I'm going to click here where it says Chelsea's resume as a PDF. You can know that it's a PDF because it has that little red line through the top right here. This one's a PDF also. So it's my resume PDF. I'm going to open it, and then we're going to upload this file. Once the file's done uploading, we can save our page. And now I have my CV information. And at the very bottom, you can click and get the PDF of my resume. Or your CV, however you want to call it. So next I want to do my teaching philosophy. You would basically do this the exact same way that you did the other one. I just wanted to have multiple pages in here. So clinical rotation. This is the part where we need to have several different areas in it. So we're going to organize and manage our pages. I'm going to do a new page. This is going to be course syllabus. And we're going to add another page that's hours, instructional, clinical hours. And then I want to do a picture, add another image picture, and or contributions. Actually, we'll do one with a picture, then I'll do one more page with contributions. All right, so we're going to be done editing because we got all the names of the pages that we want here, okay? So we're going to be done. And now here where it says syllabus, we can edit this page. The syllabus name is going to be syllabus. And I need to put information in here. Right now there's no boxes, there's nothing to be able to type in. So I don't want to have comments on this page. So we're going to click that off. We go over here to rich text HTML, and now I have this text box available again. I already have the syllabus open for the course I wanted to do. So I'm going to copy and paste the syllabus in. It's completely up to you if you want to copy and paste all these syllabi in or not. I just wanted to make it easier for the user. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it in here. And I also want people to be able to see where I got the syllabus from. So where it says image file upload, I'm going to do the same thing as last time. I need to go to my clinicals. And then we're going to do our immersion syllabus. I saved this as a PDF also. The PDFs tend to be a lot smaller than Word documents. So if you're having trouble uploading a PowerPoint or uploading a PDF or something, just save it as a PDF. It'll make life a lot easier. So we're going to save our page. Now we have our syllabus, and at the very bottom we have our uploaded version of it also, which is all the way down here. Click here to download the immersion syllabus. So there's two ways that they'll be able to see it. So that's that. Now clinical hours. This one, it's basically going to be the same. We're going to click edit this page, image or file upload, browse, and I can upload my hours right here. Upload my file, save the page. If I go to a picture, I can now edit this page. We're going to image file upload, browse, and I can put, here's a picture of us while we were in Oklahoma. Upload the file. Once it's done, we'll save the page. And here's a picture of someone in Oklahoma. Also for contributions, I made a PowerPoint for one of my classes. So I'll go here to contributions, I'll edit this page. I'll do my image or file upload. And this one was for a different class. So I'm gonna go back out for a second and let's, here, it's my code one, tachyarrhythmias.pdf, open. I'm going to upload this file. And we're going to save our page. So you can click on my PDF. Well, just open it for now. And you'll be able to see this tachyarrhythmia that I made. So there's that. So now when someone comes into my portfolio, they can click on my CV on the left. And here's my resume here. They can go to the teaching philosophy, and had I uploaded it, the teaching philosophy would be here in the middle. If I did want to add it right now, we could click edit this page, rich text, and then type in what we wanted. If I chose that I wanted to do maybe a YouTube video here, I could do HTML, embed the content, and YouTube. Let's find whatever video comes up first. We'll pick here, Kevin Hart. He can't be that bad. Right here's the address for your YouTube videos. You'll be able to right click copy it here. And then we're going to paste it here and save our page. Now this link is available for whoever wants to go to that YouTube video. Clinical rotations, you click on, and here you click on your syllabus. You can click on your clinical hours. You can click on the picture of what you did, and then you can show your contributions to the course. So this makes it a little bit more organized so that you can see that which rotations on the left, the basic topics that she wants you to hit. And then on the right, it can be your subheadings. So within the clinical rotation, this is what you were able to accomplish. This is what you did. Here's your hours. Here's your evaluations. So it makes your life a little bit easier. So when you come out, here's your dashboard. You go to your account, your e-portfolios. And now we have the two different e-portfolios. We have the example one, we have me. You click on the example and you'll be able to navigate through it, and that's where we are. So that's that.